How you doing, guys? Stevie here. Tonight I'm going to be tying a black cruncher that's got the traffic light cheeks on it. In the vise I've got the Farial wet fly hooks, a barbless hook. It's a black nickel one, size 10. The thread I'll be using is a uni thread in 8/0 black. So I've already waxed the thread, so we'll just take it down the shank of the hook. And this is a good wee pattern to have in your box as well. So just stop where the barb is and cut off the waist. And for the tail, just the usual, just using a black hackle. This is a hen, just one of the big hackles for the bottom of the cape. So say the length of the body, just a wee bit shorter maybe. Pinch and loop and tie in. Just square it up so the tail's sitting nice and just tie it down. And cut off the waist. And for the rib I'm using black wire. This is this small wire, uni wire, number 33, that's it there. So just tie this down the side of the body. All the way back down to the tail. And for the body I'm using this dyed black pheasant tail. So cut off maybe 6 or 7 strands, tie them in tip first, and bring the thread back up the body. Just leave yourself plenty of room. I'll leave myself roughly about a third of the hook. So we're going to go under with the pheasant tail. This gets quite short. Oops, it's caught. Just encourage it round with your thumb. Tie that in. Cut off the waist. And bring the rib up just the normal way. There's one of the fibres burst, doesn't matter, we'll just cut that one out. Right round and up, bring it across, bend the wire and shake it off. So for the cheeks I'm going to use this pearl mylar. Use that, and we use the red hollow. So we'll tie this in first, both sides. So just hold them along the side of the body and just wind it back. So I've got the red hollows, no sticker on this, but it's medium as well. Just take a couple of bits off. Same again. you need to tie these in one at a time. It's a wee bit awkward trying to do it all together. Directly on top of the pearl. So just tie that in and just come back the way. Same again, holding everything back. And for the thorax, I'm using the black peacock herring. 2 strands. Just as usual with me, 1 butt up, 1 tip up. Hold everything back. And just tie this in. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie it off. Cut off the waist. And now we bring the cheeks forward, the 2 tinsels together. So we'll make sure the pearls on top of the red. Tie that in. You can play about with it. Just pull it tight. Just check that. Yep, that's fine. Cut that one off. And do the same at my side. Give me a pull. Cut off the waist. Just tidy up. The water will fix that out. So what you want is a Hackle. This is a hen cape, black. Just get a Hackle suitable for a size 10. And be tying this in tip first. Get your Hackle pliers and pulling everything back, just wind it on. I just want a turn and a half. So that's it. Cut off the waist. And just finish the fly off, just with a nice little head. Whip finish. And a bit of varnish to finish the fly off. And clean the eye, just get a hook or something like that's lying about. So while I'm here guys, I'd like to say thank you for all the subscribers. That's me, reached the 1,000 mark. We reached that yesterday and it's well appreciated guys. Thank you very much. So I hope you enjoyed that one and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.